What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. This is very important for those that like to get this information before it happens. If you watch my last Terra Luna classic video, I gave y'all a few different scenarios that could likely play out, and the last scenario that we talked about in that video is exactly what we see taking place now. So if you didn't catch that video, go catch it just so you can understand the breakdown to the analysis behind what we see taking place right now. But Terra Luna Classic is going bonkers right now, y'all. We are up 40% on the day, volume up right now 255%. So I'm gonna give y'all a look at the chart real quick so y'all can see what I see. And let me zoom in here. Right now, price trading around that 33,000 level. If we take a look on the day chart, pull out our, let's see. For this, since we're breaking into new price levels, we can use our pivots. So we can see, remember we talked about this indicator on the live stream yesterday. I told y'all when we break into new price levels and you're curious or you're unsure of where people are likely to take profit at, you can use this indicator because it'll show you different. So right here we see this P stands for pivot, the R1 stands for resistance level 1, R2 stands for resistance level 2, and R3 and R4 and R5. So we could see from this chart that it gave us some indication that people were likely to take profit around this 3,400 range. We've seen people actually take profit around the 34,000 range. We've seen people take profit around the 35,000 range because it was so bullish that it just absolutely pushed through. But I told y'all that we were likely to see it pull back around this 22 level and hold that as a key support level as new money came in. You know, I told y'all a lot more people were seeing what was taking place with Terra Luna Classic, and they might have wanted to get in on that pullback, and that's just what we seen take place. And buyers just absolutely took over and blasted it, you know, through the 30,000 level. So right now it looks like it's, you know, selling off slightly. Nothing to be really worried about. Why do I say that? Because if you take a look at our volume, let's go to the 4-hour chart just so we get a little more information. But the volume is still very bullish. Yes, there is a lot of selling happening right now. People securing some of those profits, but you got to remember, you know, some people are up, you know, for them, you know, a lot of money, you know, especially depending on how much you put in, you know, so where it's natural to see some profit taking, and especially when we use these indicators to determine where it's likely to happen. So also let's grab our RSI just to see, you know, how strong it is right now. So this is the relative strength index, which is right now at a 75, which tells us that right now it is a little overbought. But like I told y'all before, when it's so bullish like this and new money, you know, steps in, we can completely, you know, break structure and, you know, go to different levels because the community, the investors are behind it. And I think with what we seen take place last week, we're seeing like a second wave of it right now from investors that possibly missed out, or those that just wanted to, you know, double down on their position. Also, I've also seen a lot of people talking about trading in other tokens and participating in this Terra run that we see, or, you know, investing in it right now because they're in hopes of, you know, catching another run. Also, you got to remember we got the burn tax being implemented, 1.2%. That is going to be absolutely bullish. If we take a look, so the price is up 40%, market cap up 30% in one day, volume up 257%. I think this is still very, very early. You know, of course, it definitely could sell off and possibly try to come back and test this 30,000 level as a support. Because why do I say that? If we look left in the chart, remember, you always want to look left. Our previous resistance levels become our new support levels. So previously we resisted right at that 30,000 level, and now we were able to break through there. But now we need to come back and possibly test it. So if you see it start pulling down around that 30,000 level, you know, just giving you a heads up, that's, you know, likely what it may do, just to find some support, because it has to have some type of correction. You know, it's not bad for it to, you know, breathe and exhale. You know, it has to do that to remain healthy. So that's all for this video. I just wanted y'all to be aware, you know, you don't want to miss out. When I put these videos out, you have the chance to act on this information. Remember, it's never financial advice, but at least watch the videos, do your due diligence, so that way you can know what's about to take place and you can position yourself, you know, better in the market. But I'm DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and shout out to all my channel members, man. Y'all some real ones. Shout out to the notification gang. But we are out.